Upgrade your toilet with VOVO Basic 9 Bidet Attachment. Crafted from genuine bamboo, this knob design showcases the inherent qualities of bamboo: cleanliness, comfort, and convenience in daily use. Water pressure adjustment and posterior wash, designed to provide a thorough cleansing of the posterior area. By adjusting the angle, users can ensure the water hits the desired area accurately, enhancing the effectiveness of the wash. Self-cleaning process ensures the nozzles remain hygienic between uses. Here's a simple installation guide. Be sure to close the water valve first. Flush the toilet to empty the tank. Remove the existing toilet seat. Disconnect the toilet hose. Connect the hose to the T-connector. Connect the hose to the VOVO Basic 9 Bidet attachment. Install the VOVO Basic 9 Bidet attachment onto the toilet, aligning it with the bolt holes. Open the water valve slowly to restore water flow. And now you're all set to enjoy the VOVO Basic 9. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your VOVO bidet.